My name is Lance Macarig and I studied A-levels, maths, digital technology and physical education. I chose to study at CAVC because of the opportunities that they provided me, where I was able to play good quality basketball as well as continuing my studies, which my parents would approve of. I'd say the best thing about my course was that I was able to have support, so I'd have the careers and ideas in person in college where they're always ready for anybody to ask questions. But it's just the little things that a student might want, and the fact that Cardiff and Vale College provides that. The availability of facilities, especially the library, which I spent most of my time in, where it was just free of access and I could just study in my own time. My plans for the future, now that I've completed my A-levels, is that I'm going to study mathematics in Queen Mary London University. One misconception that I thought I had to know everything, and that everything that I did know was all that there was to know.